Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachelsuniquecrafts, and today I'm just going to share with you some bargains that I found from the Goodwill, from Marketplace on Facebook, from a flea market, and then some bargains I found at Old Time Pottery. So let's get started. So Marketplace, while I was gone a couple of days, we had a family get together in North Carolina, so I saw these on Marketplace, and they're plaster, and the lady wanted like $20 for two of them, so they were $10 each. So I messaged her, and she offered to hold them for me until I got back. And when I got home, the price tag on this one said $99.99, and I got it for $10. And I got two of them, so it's $20. So that was my bargain from Marketplace. And so now we're going to go with Goodwill. So I got this beautiful glass shallow bowl, and it was $3.99. And then I got this stainless steel bowl for $2.99. I thought that was a great bargain. So I was tickled over those bargains. Now at the flea market, I got 4 little saucers. Those pretty. This one's got a little bit of mint green and pink in it. This one's got a little bit of blue. And this has got some cherry blossoms. Isn't that what they're called? So I got those. And I got this vase right here. And total, this was supposed to be $12.99 at Home Goods. Or Home Goods. And I got, she wanted, for the vase and the 4 plates, she wanted $8, I believe. So, and the hubby gave the little old lady a little bonus. He gave her a little extra, but that's all she was wanting for those. Now, Old Time Pottery. Let me share with y'all a few things I got. So this little tin bucket was $4.99, and it's got perforated holes, so we can actually make a little water fountain out of it and let the water come out here. That was my thoughts with that. So then I got a little angel. She's holding a little bird. Now she was $5.99, and I believe she was 25% off, I think. So I got her. And the elephant I thought was going to be 25% off, but they said no, but it was $5.99. He was so cute. And I want to put him in the middle of a bird bath or water fountain one. So, all right. The next thing I got at Old Time Pottery is kind of heavy and big. But look how big this thing is. And let me tell you. So, they have a lot of these flower pots and all. And this big one, I don't know the size of it, but from there to here, that's how wide it is. And from tip of my finger to here, I would probably say it's at least 14 inches tall and probably 12 inches wide at least. $12.99 for this big one. They had some the same size except in the royal blue, and they wanted $24.99, and that's one I had spotted, and I wanted the royal blue, but when I could get this color, half of that, I couldn't. I was like, I gotta get this color because I mean, $12.99 for a pot this big. And then there's 3 sizes. So there's a size down from that, and it was $9.99. It's a tight fit in here, so it ain't much smaller. So this one was $9.99. And then we have another one. And it was $7.99. And they have the holes in them. So, I'm thinking this could be a beautiful waterfall. Some kind of water fountain. So, these I was really excited because even at the $24.99 for the royal blue one, that was cheaper than a lot of the other ones that they had. So, I was really excited when I found these. They had one more. They had a black set, and it was this price. But everything else was a lot higher. But that's my haul from the marketplace. Old Time Pottery. Old Time Pottery is in Tennessee, the one I went to. I'm sure they got more in other states. But if you have one, go check them out. That's kind of their logo right there, Old Time Pottery. That's probably backwards for y'all. Okay, it's got the sizes on here. Okay, let's see. Let me find that big one. I don't know where the $12.99. Let's see, this one may have, it's got the label still in it. Let me see. So it's got the sizes on the label. All right, so this is a 14.5. And then the $9.99 one was 11.5. And then the 9-inch was $7.99. So, well, there it was over here. Anyway, I'm really excited. Now we got to get to making some bird baths and some waterfalls and all the good stuff. So I hope y'all hang around and come back, and make sure y'all hit the bell and select the all so that you get notified every time I upload a new video or go live. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye, y'all.